Hi, I'm Jim Ince with the Wynn Law Firm. When I mention estate planning, most people think about a will. A will's the common thing that we've used for years and years. Wills are great legal devices. They've been around since, the 1800s, 1700s. The problem is they're for people who live to the ripe old age of about 40 or 45. What we have now is a society where many of us, including myself, are already well above that age, and we have to think about issues that the legal creators of wills never thought about. What happens when you become disabled? What happens if you get Alzheimer's, you have a stroke, you have a heart attack, that you don't come out of a coma? Wills will not deal with that situation. What you have to do then is file something called a guardianship. A guardianship is not a good thing. It's a very expensive procedure, sometimes called living probate. The amount of legal fees you incur in a guardianship is mind-numbing, and we don't want that. What you can do is spend a little more money up front and do something called a living trust. And a living trust is a wonderful device that lets you control all sorts of things. It can help you and your spouse control all your assets while you're both healthy and alive. If one of you becomes disabled, the living trust immediately slides the assets over to your spouse so that they can control it. Or if your spouse isn't able to, it can slide the assets back to one of your adult children or to a third party to help control the situation. The other thing that a will does, it's what's called the distribute and dump principle. You have a 16 or 18-year-old kid and you die early, nothing like giving $25,000 or $30,000 to an 18-year-old. You know it's going to involve four wheels and it's not going to be what you had in mind. A trust can help control that as well. You can actually put standards and conditions on a trust. You can require your child to have an education. You can require them to be of a certain age. You can put in there it's not going to buy a car. Whatever you want to do, your imagination is the end of what we can do. If you're interested in that, what the Wynn Law Firm does is offer free seminars. This is a 2 or 3 hour seminar. Comfortable. You come and listen to the presentation and it'll tell you all the various things that can be done. You still want a will, we'll do a will for you. But that may only be part of the package. There are durable powers of attorney, physician's directives, a durable power for health care, all sorts of documents you may never have thought about. Come to one of our seminars and learn about all of your options. Give us a call and we'll be happy to set you up. But don't just think of estate planning as just a will. It's just painting the eaves on that house.